Lokmanya Tilak, 10-line speech in English. Good morning everyone. My name is Siddhi. Today I am going to speak a few words about Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was a great freedom fighter of the Indian freedom struggle. He was also called Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. His father's name was Gangadhar and mother's name was Parvatibai. The famous slogan "Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it" was given by Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak started newspapers like Maratha and Kesari. Such a great freedom fighter passed away in 1st August 1920.